AfriTech Hub nyɛla bin zaŋ bi kpini zaŋ gbuni Modern Security Consults ka bi lee bipuɣunsi baŋsim ti ʒɛmani ŋɔ nashaara anfooni shɛŋa bi mali niŋdi yiya n ti pahi biɛhigu shee ka di suɣari ŋmaari niriba din ti niŋ ka nira kana ti tum barina ka bi boondili CCTV kamara nim la lala baŋsim ŋɔ maa lɛbu maa nyɛla din kpaŋsi bipuɣunsi ni din ti niŋ ka di ʒɛmi ni ʒɛmani ŋɔ ni tuun shɛŋa bin ka bipuɣunsi ku tooi tumli la ni ŋani ŋɔ maa zaasa nyɛ din yooi soya n zaŋ ti ka di wuhiri ni dabi gba ni tooi yɛn tum tuun shɛli paɣa gba ni tooi tumli din kuyɛn baligi waɣala paɣabu zuɣu man baŋsi ka kpaŋsi bi baŋsim kpɛm zaŋ ti AfriTech Hub Dr. Arnold Mashud nyɛla ŋun zaŋ kom zaŋ ti lahabasiri mini lahabasiriba n tun kaagi dala shɛli n tali ka bi ti bo lala baŋsim ŋɔ maa n mali lɛri lala ti bipuɣunsi ŋɔ maa n ti pahi ti paɣa shɛba ni bɛ lala ʒiɛ ŋɔ maa puuni.
AfriTech Hub nyɛla organisation shɛli din chaŋ ti jɛndi bipola mini ti paɣaba yɛltɔɣa n ta ti mini le bipola maa mini paɣaba maa di tu ni ti chɛ ka ti zaɣa chaŋ ti n kpabi bi zoosim polo dini ti chɛ bipola mini paɣaba baŋsim zaŋ chaŋ kamani CCTV camera installation biometric system installation nima di yɛn chɛ ka ti bipola maa mini paɣaba maa ka bi tooi nya tuma nuuni baŋsim di yɛn chɛ ka bi gba zaa tooi n kpaŋsi bi koba n chɛ ka bi tooi zaŋ baŋsim shɛli tin lɛba maa n zaŋ sɔŋ salo maa ka gba diri danfaani ka bi family gba zaa diri danfaani n ta dali shɛli n chɛ ka ti yina ti niŋ lala program maa n bɔŋɔ maa di mi nyɛla dabata ka ti ku niŋli so bin kana maa zaa bi dim maa bi refreshment binshaɣu kam zaa ti din teekirili din gba modern security consult nim maa gba zaa bi equipment shɛli bin zaŋ na bi maŋ equipment ka bi zaŋ kana ni bi ti tabi sɔŋ so bin bɛ kpɛ maa binshaɣu kam zaa ti din niŋda so ti din zani kpɛ ka gahino boli ŋun kam zaa ni to sɔŋ ni to niŋ ka ti to n sɔŋ paɣaba mini bipola so da ka bi tooi chaŋ tooni bin chaŋ tooni Ghana yɛn chaŋ tooni maa.
Modern Security Consult niŋ gba kpambu gba di nyɛla bin gba zaŋ bi ziliŋ kom zaŋ ti n wuhi dali shɛli n tali ka bi ti zaŋ bi kpɛm zaŋ gbuni AfriTech Hub.
This partnership is mainly to bridge the gap between male installers and the female installers. Upon all our ages, we never had a female installer. So we use this opportunity to bridge the gap so we can also invite the ladies who has the passion to also be an installer to also join us. We are willing to do more. We are willing to show them more of our services. We are willing to train them more, depending on the passion they have to learn from us. I'm excited because those that we met, they are showing so much passion. It tells me they are willing to learn. And we are willing to give them free attachment and even recruit some to join our team.
Tungbadi lala baŋsim liba maa dama ni nyɛla bin puhi ka pahi AfriTech Hub n ti pahi Modern Security Consult bin ku sahi ti pahi arziki n liba baŋsim ŋɔ maa ka ni gba ku dihiba vihigu gba nyɛ bin kpuɣi lala baŋsim maa nimɔhi din kuli niŋ shɛm ka gba ti leegi sɔɣu biɛɣu ni kpamba bi shɛm nyɛla bin zaŋ bi ziliŋ kom zaŋ ti NTV lahabali saha ka di shini maa.
We learned theory, like we learned basically about CCTV installation, then the components, that's the parts of the things that we need and the steps involved. Then day 2, we try putting that into practice. So we were teamed up in teams of 3, and together with my team members, we tried our hands on what we were taught in day 1, and we were able to bring out something successfully.
Person of Hussein Nahana Tubauri, a participant of AfriTech Hub and Modern Security Consult. I actually saw this flyer on one of our platforms on campus, and then I decided to apply. So after applying, I was picked up to come and participate in the training. And the training is a 3 days program. So when we came, we were yesterday. We did it being Tuesday. It was the theory that we did. We did the theory yesterday, and today being the day 2, it was the practicals. And the interesting movement arrived when we were asked to use our hands on the tools, to how to connect and then be able to. So after the hands-on practicals, we were able to connect it to the TV, and we saw ourselves. And everything was fine.
Feeling born in Maria. So the day 3 days straight. So kind of first day, but as I'm on the notion, don't need the reaction. It is an installation, but now it's the past. So that guy second day, capture the Mohammed first day, then the star, the Lamtawa, the Lamtam, the Sudan Palgate. So get the CCTV camera and get the stars of Palgate. Is that opportunity for yes, the AfriTech Hub, so come in that is sponsor, it's vice sponsorship, very modern security.